Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was planning to join. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to do a wood facial in Archicad. That's the 3D aspect of Archicad. So without any further ado, let's get right into the business. Now simply you go to options, scroll down to complex profile, click on profile manager, click this plus sign and create a wood facial. Click OK. Click this beam, untick this, okay? Then click document, click on this line tool. Now where this X is located, click on it and drag a line outside. Make sure this change is selected. This one that looks like a chained line is selected. Then once you've clicked this, drag it like this and give a distance of 300. Click enter, go down and 300, okay? Then move it like this and give it 75. Click enter, take it up, okay? And just click like that. Then click this, take your suspend groups, take this edge here and make sure your stretch is selected. Then click this side like this, okay? Then when you are done, click on fill tool, hold down space bar on your keyboard and click inside, okay? But your fill might be giving you another kind of color. Might be giving this kind of color, something like this. So it doesn't really matter. So once you fill inside here, what you want to do next is click the fill, click modifiers, click with stretch, height stretch, click component selected, override surfaces, click finish, click this brick red and give it this wood pine going horizontal. Click on it and click save. Once that is done, once you click save, just exit, okay? Then let me go to my 3D view. I'm going to delete this concrete facial and use a wood facial. So I'm just going to delete this and go back to the story. Now I'm going to go to the design, click on the blend tool, delete the settings dialog, click segment and make sure this one is selected. This one right here is selected. Then click a concrete facial, but your own is going to have a custom here. So just click this and click a wood facial board, the name you saved, click on it and click OK. Now here this is located, that's where your plan is located. Start sketching out, just sketch it out like this, but it's supposed to be like this instead, okay? Because that's how a space between the space that we left. So just stretch this out, trace it out on your plan. And click continue. Now once this is done, go to your second story. It's not here yet because it's going to be like down on the 3D view. So this is it. So click on it, click settings dialog and click the beam, click second story, click OK. So it's gonna be up like that. And what you want to do next now is you want to place the roof, okay? That's what is next. You want to place the roof. Now for you to place the roof, go to the first story and I'm going to draw the roof, okay? So click the roof tool, make sure you select this and select this, okay? Click the settings dialog. Make sure you guys are using my dimension. Make sure this is selected. This one is 25. This one is the roof pitch. You can change the roof pitch to be 34, okay? Then you can take this and change this one to be 1 1 degrees. Click the multi-plane geometry and leave this. Make sure you set your offset to be 0 just for now. Then click on OK. Then come and draw the roof. You can go to your second story to look at the roof. So this is the roof. Okay, now go to the 3D aspect, and as you can see, the roof is being placed on the wood fascia. But I'm going to do something real quick. You know, we can't have the wood looking like this, so I'm going to go to the east elevation. Double click on the east elevation to check what you're already doing. So click on the roof, Ctrl D, and move it down like this. Okay, so what is the next thing now is we're going to extend this roof outside, because when the water is going to, if rain is going to be falling now, it's going to be coming down on the wood. Okay, and if it comes down on the wood, it's going to spoil the wood eventually. So click on the roof, click on the settings dialog here, and come to this multi-plane geometry and offset this to be 150. Click OK. So it's going to extend this one outside like this. Okay, then Ctrl D, take this up. Okay, Ctrl D and move it down on this edge here. Okay, so once that is done, you can go to your 3D view to check what you've done, and you're going to be having this. Okay, so this is how to create a wood fascia in Archicad. So if you guys want to add if you guys want to cover this part off, because in real life it's always covered by either the part of the roof, or you can use a ceiling. That you can use either this ceiling, or you can use part of the roof to cover it. If you guys want to cover that up, what you guys just need to do is go to options, scroll down to corporate profile, click profile manager, click the custom, and click the wood fascia. Click on it, click edit. Now once that is done, just click this line to make sure this box is selected. Okay, now over your cursor you allow it to load, then just pick any points from here. Okay, and move it here and click. Once that is done, click the fill tool, hold down spacebar on your keyboard, then click inside. Okay, now once that is done, click the fill tool, and you can override surfaces. Click this and you can give it like this ceiling, let's say this one. Okay, then click save and go back to, just exit from here and go back to the 3D view to check what you've done. And as you can see, this place is being filled up. Okay, so as you can see, so it gives you that kind of a neat job. This is how to create a wood fascia in Archicad. Thank you for watching my video. If my video has been of any help to you, kindly subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in other tutorial videos. Thank you.
I don't like the person within, no, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame.